So there's large studies done on this, and it's more specifically in the occupational therapy side, where they say that children who are using screens to levels which are outside of the parameters that it should be, the eyesight and the eye development, and specifically the visual perception. When children play, they randomly focus far and then they come near, and they far and they near. So they're always busy with their eyes, which is wonderful for general development. Take that and just compare that to a child who is basically just looking at a screen, whether it's the screen in my hand or whether it's the screen there. I've got only one line that I'm busy developing. And remember, visual perception is not only about seeing, it's about looking with purpose. So if I want to look for a tree to climb, I am searching with my eyes to find an appropriate tree. And when I find the tree, I'll focus on the tree and I'll go there. So if we bring that into context and we say all of that is needed at a primitive level, at a young preschool level, so that we can develop up to reading skills where we now choose to focus on a reader, but then the timing is right. Whereas with a young child, we find that they are focusing nearby too soon and not developing the bigger picture.